Glad you're taking some pictures.
The tree limb that came through the ceiling.
Let's do it.
View from one of the houses up here, next door to Michael's mom's. So the story is the gentleman living in this house got in the bathroom, and one section right there of the house that's still standing and survived. Here's the rest of his house was blown. It's the whole side of it, flooring area, the rest of the house. So this is over the ridge. We're approaching over the ridge from Michael's mother's house. And Winnie the Pooh up there and tree. So here's further view from the ridge. It's total devastation. And then, interesting, here's a hinge stuck in the tree. You can see that or not. Totally buried in the tree.